it! Sourdough Sidekick is moving into production. We met the crowdfunding goal thanks to you, sourdough enthusiasts. You totally showed up for the Sourdough Sidekick. We hit our $50,000 goal in the first 12 minutes. We're gonna talk to Rick and find out what happens next, and talk to one of our own very excited backers.
Now that we've hit our goal, the next step is to move this product into production. So what does that look like? Well, right now what we're doing is we're finalizing the design, the mechanical parts, we're finalizing the software, and what we'll be doing is building multiple kind of iterations of prototype and kind of refining the design through multiple builds that we call them. And we'll get those in, we'll test them, we'll be sharing them with King Arthur. They will also be testing in parallel with us, kind of refining, make sure everything is doing exactly what we want it to do. So along this journey, we will be sharing updates with you. This is what we always do. We're very transparent in our development process. So as we have new test prototypes, we're going to show those to you. We'll show you how they function and all this along the way, so you can be excited about the journey like we are. So there is a lot of work to do, which means I got to get back to it. We'll see you on the next update.
So I'm Michelle Taylor, and I am a mom of 2 boys, and I love to bake. I bake cakes, I bake breads. I'm always in the kitchen. It's my favorite place to be. And with the Sourdough Sidekick, I am most excited because I don't have the time to sit there and feed my sourdough day after day. It's just too much. I don't have the time. You know, I have 2 pets on top of it, which makes it even harder. So I'm super excited to be able to just put it there and leave it and just watch it. And I want this thing to thrive. So I'm like, we've got to get people on board. So everybody I talk to, I tell them about this thing. I'm still learning. And so I think having the Sourdough Sidekick it's just going to be so beneficial for me, especially just, you know, getting into this. When I saw that it was backed by King Arthur, I said, you've got to be kidding me. I said, this is amazing. It's absolutely amazing. It's my favorite company. And now this is going to be my favorite product on top of it. I am just pumped.
If you haven't gotten the Sourdough Sidekick yet, what are you waiting for? You still have 29 days to get in on the Indiegogo campaign. While the engineering team is finalizing the design and moving on to the manufacturing process, don't you worry. We are going to keep you up to speed on all of the development. We're actually going to even be baking bread next week, and we're going to cover that too. So if you have anything that you want to see or questions about Sourdough Sidekick, drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you soon.